channel. Hi, my name is Jeannie and this is Unfiltered 50s. And yes, I have filmed a little bit wearing the same exact makeup. But in today's video, what are we doing? I have my IPSY'S shopper Black Friday deal bag box. I wanted to show you what was in it. So let's get started. So for Black Friday, IPSY had incredible deals, and they had this box for $39.99. And what came in it was, they had the biocellulose facial treatment mask from 111 Skin. It says that it enhances absorption of moisture to create a protective barrier that keeps skin perfectly hydrated. A biocellulose mask in combination with 111 Skin's restorative ingredients works in powerful synergy to brighten, firm, and optimize moisture levels. So it came with this mask, and it says it enhances skin radiance to brighten an even skin tone, diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, reinforces and protects the skin's barrier function, and rejuvenates and nourishes lackluster skin. So after I got this, I am really not that happy with this mask. The reason why I'm not that happy with this mask is because it goes through and it has water, glycerin, butylene glycol, and then the very next ingredient, like the very first active ingredient, is what? Alcohol. So, you know, I'm just like, this sucks. This sucks because I won't use it. Because, you know, then it goes in and it's got castor oil, which I don't want to use on my face. Then it's got grapefruit. I don't necessarily feel exactly one way or the other. Then it's got apricot kernel oil. It's got Centella asiatica, which I love. That's tiger grass. It's got amino acids, so that's your protein. That's your peptides. It's got licorice, which is brightening, but that's almost at the end of this. So basically, the whole total ingredients is alcohol. 111 Skin. I'm telling you right now, with 111 Skin, you have to read the ingredients. So this mask sucks. So it can go in the garbage. Okay, so fail on that particular product. And this box was, like I said, $39.99. That was a fail. But this whole box is not a fail. So I'm just getting that fail out of the way. I love the Vintage Cosmetics Company, and I absolutely adore these headbands from them, and I got one of these in the box. So I'm really stoked about that. Absolutely love this. Love, 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 love this. So that is a win-win. Then I got a plant-derived, not animal. Absolutely love it. Squalane oil, 92%. Sandalwood, evening primrose, vitamin E, tocopherol, and this is from Melixir, and it has squalane, rosa canina, which I wish it was rosa rubinosa, which is the one that's been documented and proven to contain retinol. Then it has fruit oil, evening primrose, vitamin E, sandalwood oil, citrus. So yeah, it's fine. So happy to have that. Then I've got a Doctor's Botanicals Cocoa and Coconut Super Food Reviving Hydrating Mask. Happy to have that. A Murad Hydration Nutrient Charged Water Gel. Happy to have this. This gets rave reviews, so very glad to have that. Oil-free, non-greasy. A Generation Clay Urban Defense Purifying Pink Clay Mask. Happy to have that. I think I've gotten this one before in something. I don't really want to open these because, you know, don't know when I'm going to get to using them. We got a small Blue Lotus 4-in-1 cleansing milk. And I've had one of these before. This is like maybe a deluxe sample size, but happy with it. I got something that I've never seen before, which is called Glimmer of Hope Shimmering Face Oil. And it looks like this. So I'll have to let you know about that. But what I really wanted from this box was the Sunday Riley Ceramide Ice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream. And it looks like this. So when you use a retinol, retinols love to be paired with ceramides. And then when you take it out of the box, it comes with a beautiful, beautiful little scooper. So I love getting that. You just take it right out. Nice, clean, full bouginess package. Has the top. Oh, yeah. It smells like banana cream pie. Super thick, super lovely, very thick, very nice, rich. It's even richer than the CEO, but this is such a good night cream. Whenever you put on your retinol at night, it just goes so good with your retinol, and then boom, put your ice cream. That's right. I said it. You put your ice cream right on over the top of your retinol, and your face is happy, happy, joy, joy. Oh, it is so good. So good. And I was so happy whenever I saw this. So yes, to be able to get this for that price, plus the additionals of a superfood reviving hydrating mask that, you know, looks like this. It's nice and sealed up for whenever you're ready to break into it. A nice little Glimmer of Hope Replenish and Restore shimmering oil, a beautiful bottle of plant-derived squalane oil, which I use squalane all the time for dry, dehydrating skin. It is a beautiful, it just soaks right in. It's beautiful for your skin, and it's plant-derived. It doesn't cause any type of acne, bumps, or anything. It's just beautiful, beautiful face oil, really. And it's somewhat of a bio-identical ingredient because we have squalane in our own skin. Then a Generation Clay Purifying Pink Clay Mask. I personally won't use this, but someone will. I will pass that on. And a wonderful Murad Hydration Nutrient Charged Water Gel Cream. And this is a very, very nice product that a lot of people really, really like. Yes, it is a very, very small product, but a lot of people really like that one. So I'm happy to at least get to try this in a sample form to see, do I like it? What do I think about it? So very happy to have that. And then of course the Blue Lotus 4-in-1 cleansing milk. Very, very nice. And don't forget the cutest headband ever. And I use these all the time. I have a pink one. I use it all the time whenever I am doing my, you know, I do my skincare in the bathtub, and I use this thing all the time. I love mine. I think it is absolutely wonderful whenever I am doing my skincare to just pull all of my hair back, and it absorbs any little bit of water so it doesn't get in my hair. I don't wash my hair every day, so I don't want water getting on it, and this is just wonderful. So do I think it was worth the $39.99 for the box? Oh yes, I do. I love it. The word of the day for the random comment picker is going to be ice. If you want to be entered into the giveaway for one of the 12 Days of Christmas boxes, then just use the word ice in a sentence in your comment and you will be entered via a random comment picker. For a little side bonus, they also had a $12 Star Skin VIP. This is a gold mask eye patch, a gold mask foot mask, and a Star Skin VIP gold mask hand mask. I love feet and hand mask, and I was on this so fast, so I love doing feet and hand masks so much. I love them. So yes, I did pick these up as well because I was out of feet and hand masks. So yes, I picked those up for $12. Very good buy. Very, very, very good buy. And so, yeah, they just look like, you can see the little hands, and you just put your hand in the little glove, and there's like really, really nice moisturizing hand cream in there, and you just wear those. And then the feet look like little socks that you put on your feet. And then they have on the back tape that you just tape the socks around your ankles, and so they won't come off. And they're just the neatest things. So whenever I saw those, I was like, yes, I need those. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I look so forward to seeing you in another video really, really soon. Smooches, guys. Until next time, bye for now.